The Cullinan Diamond Mine near Pretoria is famous for producing the largest gem quality rough diamond ever found, 3.106 carats. The Cullinan Diamond Mine, formerly known as the Premier Mine, is located 40 kilometers east of Pretoria. It features an open cast pit, often called the Cullinan Big Hole. It is roughly 3 to 4 times larger in surface area than Kimberley's famous Big Hole. It spans 32 hectares with a depth of about 500 meters. Below you can see the Big Hole. This volcanic kimberlite pipe was found in 1902 and open pit mining began in 1903. In 1905 the world's record 3,106 carat rough Cullinan diamond was found here. This mine remains a primary global source for rare blue diamonds, and it is operated today by Petra Diamonds following decades under De Beers.